What's up guys? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while. Not that I didn't have anything to do. I did a lot of things, but I just didn't film it. But I'm back again with another unboxing video. So for today, I have here the Timpano TPT3000. I got the Tooms version. It's crossed here. Tooms. So this is a full range mono amplifier. I was still kind of choosing which one I would take. I was choosing between the Torams, the PRV, and this one. I've seen a lot of reviews about this and the PRV. There's a lot of people say that this signal is cleaner than the PRV one. I'm not sure if it's true, but yeah, I just got this one. And let's look at the specs right here. I got the Tooms version right here. And one thing I've seen is some people just buy this amp, they see 1 ohm and they think, yeah, 1 ohm is stronger. That's not always the case. You have to look at your situation, what you will need. If you have a ohm load of 1 ohm, then okay, you would need a 1 ohm version to get the full power. But if you're gonna play 2 ohms or 4 ohms, you gotta get the 2 ohm version. I see that the 1 ohm version doesn't have the 4 ohm rating. The 2 ohms has the 2 ohm and the 4 ohm. So you gotta check what you really need, don't just buy it. Let's open it up, see what's inside. Since I bought it, I haven't looked at it. And here it is. Let's take it out. So what else is in the box? This is kind of manual. User manual. Not gonna read it. You got, I think this is a sticker. Yep, Timpano sticker. And nothing else. No Allen key. How am I supposed to turn this? This is Allen key. I don't have a lot of Allen key. I gotta buy a set. You remember the PRV that I unboxed, the 4 channel? That one had a Allen key. I'm not sure about the other PRV amps, but I did get an Allen key on that one, but this one not. Well, it's fine. So, looking at the amp, still wrapped, got out here and here to test it out. It was fully sealed, I think. Yep. This is a gloss black. Another reason I got this amp is because of this, the on-off switch. This is for all the frequencies here. When you turn this off, these won't work. So let's say you use a DSP. When I use a DSP, I like to turn off everything on the head unit and on the amplifier, and I do all the tuning on the DSP. Oh, I thought this was bass boost. It's mid bass and mid high booster. And here you have the high pass filter and low pass filter. And here for the power input, you get about, I think this is 4 gauge, and for the speaker there's 8 gauge maybe. And here you get 2 fans. Ooh, right in front of the fan you get like the what's it called again, the round thing like a coil, like wounded up wires, copper wires. You can see a little bit on the inside. I'm not going to open it. And here you get the vents for the exhaust to let the air out. Can see more on the inside from here. Yep. Here you have the power, protect, and clip indicator. So I'm not going to test it out in this video, not even in real life, because man, I'm not sure why I bought this. Because this is gonna sit in my room. I don't know why I bought it. Oh, uh, I don't have a sound system right now, but I do have two 6.5 and two tweeters on the front doors. Those are on just the head unit, no amplifier, nothing, just the head unit. I will try to play it with this. I'm kind of scared because it's just two 6.5s and two tweeters. So I don't know. If it blows, it blows. Well, I gotta test it out somehow. Of course, we did test it in the store when I bought it, but testing it myself, I didn't do it yet. So yeah, guys, what else is there to say about this amplifier? I'm not gonna take the plastic off yet. Maybe when it's installed, but I'm gonna leave it like this in case one day I see that I don't really need it. I could sell it like this. Yeah, beautiful amplifier, gloss black. Is the Stetson build, but the insides, I'm not sure which company makes it. But I know this outside build is from Stetson. I'm sorry. Alright, let's see the specs. It's right here. So, for... Let me read out the 1 ohm version for you guys. So at 14.4 volts, you get 3350 RMS at 1 ohm and 2100 watts RMS at 2 ohms. At 12.6, you get 3000 at 1 ohm and 2000 at 2 ohms. And my version, which is the 2 ohms version, at 14.4 volts, you get 3700 watts RMS. So that's more than the 1 ohm version. Oh. 2500 watts RMS at 4 ohms. At 12.6 volts, you get 3000 RMS at 2 ohms, 2000 at 4 ohms. So, depending on your situation, if you have a 4 ohm or 2 ohm total load, you better get the 2 ohm version. If you have a 1 ohm load, then get the 1 ohm version. That way you get all the benefit from the amplifier. So, let's see. The musical consumption is 150 amps. Bass consumption 300 amps. This is the weight 4.65 lbs. Yes, guys, that I think that will be it for this unboxing video. It's nice, beautiful Timpano amp. Oh yeah, one thing. Guys, I am looking for a 12-inch mid bass from Timpano. Natrach doesn't have them anymore. I'm not sure if they will come back or not. I do see that Timpano still makes them. They're not discontinued or something. But Natrach doesn't have them. And secondhand, it's also hard to find. But if you guys know someone that has it or you have one, can you please comment down below? Or if you know my Facebook, just message me. The The speaker that I'm looking for is the Timpano MB12 2K5. Alright, 12 MB 2K5. It's a 12-inch mid bass. I'll show you a picture right here. Yep, there's the speaker. That's the back. So it doesn't matter if it's playing with crack sound or if it's burnt. It doesn't matter. Hit me up if you find one. I really need two more of those. I already got two. I need two more. Just wanna play 412s. I need two more. That's the only thing holding me back with the build I wanna do. So two more. If you guys find one, hit me up. Let me know. Alright. So guys, with that being said, that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Maybe I'll be doing something else. Maybe the build will be done. Maybe it will be in progress. I'm not sure. But I'll be signing out. Peace. Bye guys.